So I hope y'all are ready to help me prepare for this business launch. Hey, my favorite humans. If you're new, hi, my name is Bam. And if you're returning, I love you, bitch. Y'all got to do the other half of the heart with me because we locked in, period. Thank y'all for being present with me. So in this video, basically, I want to start preparing for my launch for my personal nail business, KLAWZ. I need to work on my website. Like, I haven't started on my website yet, so I'm going to get that together. And also, I'm going to discuss with y'all a launch date later on in this video, so y'all stay tuned. First things first, I need to start on my website. My laptop is broke, y'all, so I may need to go to the library to work on my website because my laptop is like done. It's over with. So I need to work on getting a new one, but I don't have time for that right now. I need my website done. I need my website done ASAP. So I'm probably gonna go to the library and do that. You gotta do what you gotta do for your business, y'all. And I wanna do a couple of other things today. I wrote down a couple of things. So what I got here in my notebook is I want to take pictures, product pictures of my nails outside. This is basically what I want to do. Here's a couple of examples that I already did. I want to do all my nails like that because I just did a few, but I'm going to go outside. I'm going to show y'all my little setup too. It's so ghetto. I mean, it's creative. So I'm going to show y'all the spot where I'm going to take my product pictures at. So all my KLAWZ is in this box right here. And in my last video, I was showing y'all my new set of KLAWZ that I've got, which is my Toxic Blooms KLAWZ. I just packed them up in the little display box. Follow me on TikTok if y'all want to see how I pack my nails up. It's on the screen and in the description box. Another thing that I got in my notebook is pre-pack weapon accessories. So the weapon accessories, these are the weapon accessories. It comes with a claw buffer, a claw file, 2 alcohol pads, nail glue, a cuticle pusher, and 3 random stickers. And I want to pre-pack a lot in this black little zip bag. I want to pre-pack them because when people start ordering, I just want to get the order out. I don't want to do all the extra shit. Okay, I just want to grab everything, put it in the packaging, and ship it out fast as I can, period. That's basically everything that I want to do today in this video, which is get my website started, take product pictures of my nails, and pre-pack my nail essentials. Another thing that I want to do that doesn't have anything to do with my business is I want to do a protein hair mask on my hair. As y'all know, in my last video, I prepared for my brand shoot for my brand control KLAWZ. I got ready, I took pictures, I did hair, nails, lashes, all that in that last video. If y'all haven't seen it, go back to it and then come back to this video. But yeah, I want to do a high protein mask because I put heat on my hair to get the slick back bun. It don't look good no more, y'all, but yeah, I gotta do a protein mask because like I said, I put heat on my hair. I had to flat iron it, blow dry it, and some more shit. So I want to revive my hair because heat damage is a no-go for me. Even though I know I'm probably not gonna have heat damage because I put heat protecting on my hair, but still, y'all, I do not like putting heat on my hair. I be paranoid. So I'm going to do a high protein mask. I don't know what type of mask I'm going to do, but I'm going to figure it out. We're going to figure it out in this video, y'all, period. So I hope y'all are ready to help me prepare for this business launch. I cannot wait, y'all. This shit is going to be big. I'm manifesting success over my business. I hope it prospers. I'm going to be consistent. I'm not going to give up on my business. I'm so serious about this business, y'all. Y'all don't understand. I put so much time, work, and effort into this and money, but that's besides the point. But yeah, y'all, the first thing I'm going to do is show y'all where I'm going to take my nail product pictures, and I'm going to see y'all. All right, y'all, this is my setup right here, and guess what this is? It's a whole fucking grill, but this spot right here on this grill really matches my aesthetic, so that's where I'm gonna be taking my nail product pictures at. I also made this little thing. It's like a hanger thing, and I wrapped some chains around it to also match my aesthetic, and I put it on here, and then I put the KLAWZ on top. I'm gonna show y'all, hold on. I put the claws on top just like this. And yeah, y'all, that's how I take my product pictures for my nails. It looks so good. Like, you really got to be creative with your business, y'all. I had this hanger and this chain at home. Like, you can use things from, whew, it was a beat. But you can use things from inside your house to bring the vision to life, y'all. It doesn't always have to be you going out to buy anything. So, yeah, I'm using this grill and my little hanger display thing, and I'm gonna take my product pictures. So it started raining. It just started pouring down as I was making my content and taking my product photos, but it's okay. I still got some sets of claws to do, but I'm gonna have to do it another day when it's sunny outside. I got like 6 more sets of claws to take pictures of, and then I'm gonna be done. But I got majority of my claws, so that's good. I'm gonna just do the rest another day. Penelope said, hey y'all. Say hey to your friends, girl. She just be giving y'all the death step every fucking time. But yeah, I'm gonna shoot the rest of my content probably tomorrow if it's sunny outside. I hope it don't be raining all week because I got shit to do. Hopefully it's a little sunny outside tomorrow or it's not raining. I really don't want it to be gloomy. I want it to be sunny because pictures always look better in the sun, y'all. Like, I love taking my product pictures in the sun because everything just pops. But if it's gloomy, I can still make it work. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I'm probably gonna chill and edit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all when I come back to y'all. I love you bitches. Mwah. All right, y'all, I'm back, and I went to the farmer's market to get a couple of things, a couple of groceries for my house, and a couple of things that I needed for my hair mask. So the things that I got from my hair mask was avocado, I needed a banana, and egg. I had the rest of the ingredients already at home. I just needed them 3 items from the farmer's market, and also Greek yogurt. I've never known that you can put Greek yogurt in your hair. It has so many benefits that your hair needs. I did not know Greek yogurt did all that, so I had put that in my hair mask as well. As y'all seen, I made my hair mask and we about to apply it. Here's the hair mask, y'all. I had it sitting in my refrigerator for a day, and now we're about to apply. It's nice and cold, so yeah. Here's how it's looking, y'all. The consistency is thick, just how I like it. This hair mask is finna do wonders. It's so thick and so creamy. I forgot about the honey. I wish I had honey to put in this hair mask because honey would have definitely set this whole hair mask off, y'all. I will put it in there next time. And the smell, it do not stink at all. It actually smells pretty good. Let's put this hair mask on my hair, y'all. y'all, I'm back and I'm done putting the hair mask on my hair. And y'all, I still got some more left. So next week I'll be using the other half of this for my wash day. So it's good that the batch I made was for 2 wash day sessions. So I'll be storing it in the fridge. You will usually keep a mask on for about 35 to 45 minutes, maybe to an hour. But knowing me, I'm probably gonna keep this in the whole day or probably tomorrow, y'all, because it just be too much doing my hair all in one day. So I like to break it up in different days. So I may come back in 30 minutes. I may come back in 2 hours. I may come back tomorrow. I don't know. It depends on how I feel. But I'm not going to show y'all my wash day routine because I showed y'all in my last video. If y'all want to see my wash day routine, then go watch my last video. It'll be linked down below. But yeah, I'm going to wash this out when I wash it out. Probably tomorrow, knowing me, y'all. Like, for real. It's going to be tomorrow. But the longer you keep a hair mask in, the better it is. So it's beneficial to my hair if I wait till tomorrow anyway. But how I will wash this out is, y'all seen that I twisted my hair up. So I'm gonna wash my hair with the twist still in my hair because it's easier that way and your hair won't be all over the place. And I'm probably gonna start incorporating twists in my wash day routine because it's just better for your hair and your hair won't get tangled easily. Like, everything will just be tamed. So I'm probably gonna add twists to my wash day routines like every time because I've seen so many videos that twists help a lot of girls' hair thrive and grow. But I was being so lazy. Like, I do not be wanting to put fucking twists in my hair all the time. Every time I wash my hair, like, I be being lazy. But in order for my hair to grow and thrive, I'm going to start doing that. And also, I took more product photos for my business. Here go a couple of pictures that I took. My boyfriend made a whole setup for me to take my product pictures, so I took more. And I'm just creating content every day at this point. I made my website, y'all. I didn't have to go to the library either. My man let me use his MacBook. And I can't wait for y'all to see. Y'all go subscribe to my email list right now. Like, my website is on the screen, so y'all can be the first to know when I launch my brand, KLAWZ. And I'm probably gonna set up a 15% off discount only for my YouTube girlies that watch me. So I'm gonna set that up for y'all. And I'm gonna put that somewhere, probably in the description or on the screen by the end of this video. So y'all go see the discount code later in this video. Y'all go follow me on Instagram and y'all go follow me on TikTok. Everything is on the screen and in the description box down below. Go support your girl. It's the next day and I washed my mask out this morning and washed my hair this morning. I left my hair in my mini twist and put it in a bun, and now it's wrapped up like this, y'all. Looking a mess. I'm at my desk because I want to start pre-packing my nail essentials. I already pre-packed a couple of them right here, but I had stopped packing them because I want to show y'all how I pack my nail essentials. Y'all, I'm literally running out of glue. I got 3 more glues left, y'all. I literally got 3 more glues left, so I got to get some more from Amazon today. So I'm just gonna pack 3 of them on camera for y'all so y'all can see how I do everything. But I keep all my nail supplies in this little container box right here. Let me show y'all. I got my hand scrubs, my lotions, my cuticle oils, my buffers, my nail glue that I need some more of, my nail files, my alcohol pads, my cuticle pushers, my claw brushes back here. I don't know if y'all can see, but my claw brushes to clean your hands with, and my stickers back here. Everything is organized and in order. So we finna get into everything in a minute. For my launch day, I'm going to launch on July 11th. So y'all save the date. Y'all save y'all coins. July 11th. So y'all get ready. I'm going to put a discount code right here on the screen for y'all, only for my YouTube girlies that watch me. Y'all get 15% off, and the other people that don't watch me on YouTube gets 10% off, because y'all my babies, period. Like I told y'all early on, I made my website. My website is basically done right now. All I need to do is make a couple of marketing emails to send out to my customers before my launch day and on my launch day. So make sure y'all subscribe to my email list right now. It is on the screen. www.controlklawz.com. All you got to do is go on my website, and it's going to ask you to put in your email, and all you got to do is subscribe to my email list so y'all can be the first to know when I launch, y'all. So I'm excited. I hope y'all excited. Like, this is going to be fucking big, period. This is only the beginning. Like, my whole business might not be popular right now, but baby, it's gonna get big, and I know it's gonna get big. I'm staying down for this shit. And whatever you water grows. So I'm gonna continue to water my business and watch it grow and flourish over time. And I'm excited for my girls to be here along the journey with me. Y'all know I love y'all. Y'all my bitches. And yeah, July 11th, go subscribe to my email list like right now. Pause this video, go on my website, subscribe, come back, and we finna get started on packing these nail essentials.